Subscribe to channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
And never miss another update.
Hello dear visitor, in this video I am going to show you how to access recovery and troubleshooting option. Okay, just press the shift key and hold down. Now go to the start menu, power option, and press the restart. Currently I am pressing and hold down the shift key button, and now I am going to click on the restart. You can see the PC is restarting, and I am also pressing the shift key button. Just hold on the shift key button. And you can see the recovery or troubleshooting option have been successfully on your screen, and now you can access your recovery or troubleshooting option. Thanks for watching my video.
Subscribe to channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
And never miss another update.